Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use Icon Pack Studio on Android. Now, those who don't know, this Icon Pack is a launcher you can use on your Android to launch your applications. Now, to use it, just come over here, download it. Now, you can find the same application even on iPhone. Even if you have an iPhone, you can come and use your App Store. Now, let's go ahead and launch it. You can see, guys, it's still downloading. It only takes around 51 MBs. So before you download it, you have to make sure that you have enough data that will download it. So it's almost done, and once it's done, we shall go ahead and open it. Now, briefly about it, you can see, guys, that you can use it to change the launcher of your home screen. This means you can change the icons of the applications. If at all you want your icons to be in a different style, you can see, you can even edit them. You can even add style to them. You can see this is how the Play Store looks like if you have edited it. So basically, that's what it does. Now it's done opening, it's done downloading. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so after opening it, tap on continue. Now guys, this is where it all changes. Now if you want to change your launcher, you have to tap on change launcher, and once you tap on change launcher, it will automatically restart everything, and basically your application, your icons will all change. So basically that's how to use it, guys. Thanks for watching.